Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. And I'm Rachel. So this is a direct message to SoulfulT. SoulfulT, I want to tell you thank you publicly. Thank you publicly for the salmon challenge that we had. It was absolutely beautiful. I had a ball and you had a ball. We was talking smack as if you were over here at my house in Massachusetts and as if I was over in your house in Washington, D.C. It was just marvelous, and the food and everything turned out fabulous. And what I like even most is your big heart, your love, your care that you showed me. You sent your subscribers over to me, told them to come over and show me some love. I gained a lot of new subscribers because of you, SoulfulT. I gained some love from them, from you, SoulfulT. I gained a lot, and the most of all, I gained you and your friendship. I would love to always and will always keep in contact with you, and hopefully I think that we have opened up a new avenue where we can have some fun doing our cooking skills on the YouTube channel. It seems like everybody loved the action of the challenge. They were all into it, and they said that they want more. They want more. And I think that that's beautiful. Okay? So I wanted everybody to see and hear and know how I'm loving on you. I like you. I appreciate you. And you have really helped me. And I love you for that. And for all the new subscribers, I welcome you with open arms. I try to bring and deliver every day. Every day I load up on YouTube. Not once in a while, every day. So that you know what you can get from me. And I try my best to bring you something that, or teach you something that maybe you don't know, or maybe you do know, but a new way of doing it. Because that's what it's all about. It's all about sharing with each other, loving with each other, right? And I love you all of my subscribers and viewers. It's a great feeling to be able to communicate. Even though we're on the internet, we're still communicating through comments, through action, and I just love the entertainment, and I am happy, please to serve you 100%. Okay, and also, you know, this is my 2-year anniversary. It was a long haul to get here, and thank God I made it. I can remember when I had 8 subscribers when I first started, 8. And I was really worried about the new regs that YouTube have, where you have to get 1,000 subscribers and I think it's 400 watch hours within a year. I was really worried about that, and I was working hard to reach that goal. And I'm glad that they set that goal, because it made me really step up to the plate and make sure I made it happen. And I did make it happen, and I want to thank you guys for helping me, because it's not me alone. I can't do nothing alone. I need you guys to help pull me through. Okay? And just so that I can end this by saying, SoulfulT, I love you. YouTube subscribers and viewers, I love you. And please continue to hit that like button. That's very important with YouTube, the like button. That's the thumbs up, okay? and share the video, because if you like it, somebody else like it. Or if you learned something new, maybe your friend want to learn something new. Turn them on. You know what I mean? Spread the word. And subscribe. 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 Hit that. Make sure your notification button is on, so you'll know every time I come on and what I'm going to do for you next. Okay? Okay, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. Love you. Bye-bye.